Hey everyone! Today I'm showing you how to tie the Palomar knot. It is widely considered the strongest knot for mono, fluorocarbon, and braid because it doubles the line at the point of most stress. Let's dive in. To start your Palomar knot, you want to take at least 8 to 10 inches of leader line and form a loop like so. Take the end of the loop, make sure to pinch it enough so that you can slide this through the top of the eye of the hook like so. And there you go. Once you've pulled the loop through the eye of the hook, the next step is basically to form another loop like this. Pull the end of the loop through the opening and then over your hook. Pull both the tag end and the main line tight. Now here's the important part. Before you tighten up the knot, make sure to pull the main line first and tighten that up, like so. Once that's done, you take the tag end and do the same thing. Tie it and make that tight. The reason why you want to do this is to avoid the knot from slipping. The tag end will basically hold the main line in place and then give both lines another pull. Take your scissor and then cut the tag end. And there you have it. This is your strong Palomar knot. You can see that your leader line is doubled up at the eye of the hook, making this a very strong knot. The Palomar knot is very easy and fast to tie, especially on a moving boat. This knot is used for all kinds of fishing and it's never failed me before. If you guys like this video, please like, subscribe and comment below, and as always, thank you for watching.